In this Oracle database tutorial, we will learn how to change a parameter in PFILE. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. First, I connect to the SQL command line. I will start the database. A parameter file must be read when starting the database. The parameter file contains all the parameters required for the database to open itself and perform operations. The number of parameters varies depending on the version and operating system. There are over 400 parameters. The parameter file can be spfile or PFILE. Parameters in spfile are stored as binary. Therefore, the content of the spfile cannot be edited manually. The content of the spfile can be changed by the user with the alter command. The data in PFILE is stored as text. Therefore, the content of the PFILE can be edited manually. If PFILE is not used in the startup command, the database opens with the default spfile. I open the database with the default spfile. I can see the parameter file used by the database with this command. I'm going to this directory. This file contains the spfile that the database uses when opening itself. But there is no PFILE. We can create a PFILE from spfile using the create PFILE command. PFILE was created. Parameters in spfile are stored as binary. Therefore, its content is not completely readable. If it is changed manually, it cannot read the database when opening it, because the file gets corrupted. Parameters in PFILE are stored as text. Therefore, its content can be read and modified. Now let's change a parameter. For example, I want to change the processes parameter. Processes specifies the maximum number of operating system user processes that can simultaneously connect to Oracle. The value of the processes parameter is currently 300. I change the processes parameter in the PFILE. We just created this file from the spfile with the create command. I set the processes parameter to 500. Let's check the writing process again. I changed the processes parameter to 500 in PFILE. When starting the database, we did not use the PFILE option in the startup command. Therefore, the database was opened using the spfile in the default directory. In the spfile, the processes parameter has a value of 300. Now I'm shutting down the database. I will open the database using PFILE. I am copying the path of PFILE. The database has been opened successfully. Let's check the value of the processes parameter. Processes value is currently 500. It was 300 in the previous opening. I recommend you to watch the next Oracle database lessons by following the playlist. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.